YouTube. Picked up a blaster today of Allen Ginter. I had a gift card, and I hadn't opened any 2016 for a while. And they've been in the store for a while, so I figured I'd pick one up. Been trying to make a set of this year's Ginter, so figured, what the heck, we'll pick up a set. It's a 2016 blaster box of Allen Ginter. They have 8 packs in there. You're not guaranteed anything with the blaster Ginter. They're just fun. This is my favorite card product every year. Alright. You get something like 1 out of 3 blasters, so they're just fun to open. Okay, I got Eric Hosmer, Jason Hayward, George Lopez, Manny Machado numbers game, a Trumbo, not special back, little mini, and McCoy. Next pack. McCoy is a rodeo guy. Okay, got Randy Sklar, Jason Sklar. We've got Carlos Quintana. This is the only way you can get mascots in the wild, though. Bobcat is retail stuff. We've got the Jaguar, Ferocious Felines. We've got Yordano Ventura, and a rookie, Greg Bird. Next pack. True Storm, David Price, Orlando Jones, Miguel Sano numbers game. That is Melky Cabrera, Ginter back, and Sterling Marte. Next pack. Actually, have been thinking of getting another hobby box of this, just because the prices are really low right now on 2016 Ginter. So I might end up getting another hobby box of this, even though I said I wouldn't. I thought that was a hit. It's not. JD Martinez, JT Realmuto, Old Faithful, Natural Wonders. We got a little SP Wellington Castillo mini, Yu Darvish, Dexter Fowler of the World Champion Cubs. Next pack. Paul McBeth, Justin Verlander, and AJ Pollock, Johnny Bench numbers game, backwards Lucas Duda mini, and Glenn Perkins. Alright, next pack. Jason Kipnis, Evan Longoria, Willie Stargell, Baseball Legends. There is a Mayor de Blasio, Tom Murphy, Adrian Beltre. Alright, next pack. Jim Walter, Andrew Haney, Carlton Fisk numbers game, Ibade, Loretz of Peace mini, Evan Gaddis, Brian McCann. So, hopefully get something good out of this, because otherwise it's kind of a stinky blaster box. We have a hit. Wow. Okay, so it wasn't a stinky blaster box. Got a mini right there. That's numbered. Ooh. So that must mean it's an auto. Numbered auto. Wow. We got Zach Greinke, and that is a Ginter back. So we will, behind Adrian Gonzalez, That's a numbered auto, people, to 25. Man, please let it be one of the... It doesn't matter who it is. A numbered auto of anybody in Ginter is excellent. Carlos Beltran. Ooh, that is an S... it's not SP Trey Turner. That is a Trey Turner rookie. Okay. Now, very interesting. Who did we get here as far as a numbered auto? It is 16 out of 25. It's a Yankees. That is Greg Bird. So that is nice. Got a sleeve right here for that. Well, definitely was not expecting to get a numbered auto out of a blaster. That's definitely the best blaster find I've ever had. Okay. It's kind of an ugly looking top loader, but wow. Number 18 out of 25, Greg Bird auto. Very cool. Get a close up of that. Very happy with this blaster. It was a little bit stinky and got really good. And then of course we got our minis, but man, what a nice hit right there. Hopefully he ends up being something. But even if he doesn't, then just the numbered autos are really hard to get. So excellent pull. And stay tuned for more videos.